Hi, this is Alicia and welcome to Last Minute Psych. In today's video, we are breaking down a 16 mark question from paper 32 on measuring job satisfaction. We'll first describe the job descriptive index and Walton's quality of working life model and then evaluate them, including psychometrics, exactly how Cambridge expects. So, I'm going to take you through the question that I'm planning to evaluate and describe. The question is, describe what psychologists have discovered about measuring job satisfaction, the Job Descriptive Index JDI, and Walton's Quality of Working Life QWL. And this question is asked for 6 marks. First, you begin your answer with what is job satisfaction? Job satisfaction refers to how satisfied or fulfilled an employee feels in their job role. Psychologists have developed different questionnaires to measure this, including the Job Descriptive Index and Walton's Quality of Working Life Scale. The Job Descriptive Index or JDI is a self report questionnaire that measures job satisfaction across 5 dimensions: the work itself, supervision, pay, promotions, and co workers. Participants respond to descriptive words or statements using yes, no, or cannot decide. Each response is scored numerically and compared to standardized norms, allowing organizations to assess levels of satisfaction objectively. Walton's quality of working life model measures job satisfaction across 8 broader conditions, including fair and adequate payment, safe working conditions, opportunities to use and develop skills, career growth, social integration, work life balance, constitutionalism, and social relevance. It uses a Likert scale format, allowing participants to indicate their level of agreement with statements. The QWL scale focuses more holistically on the employee's overall experience of work. For full marks in part A, you must describe both JDI and QWL. If you describe only one in detail, you cannot access full marks. Now let's go to the next question or part B of the same question. Evaluate what psychologists have discovered about measuring job satisfaction, the JDI and QWL, including a discussion of psychometrics. Evaluation in your answer can include strengths, weaknesses, and a discussion of issues and debates. This question is asked for 10 marks. Let's begin with how do you start this answer? From a psychometric perspective, both JDI and QWL produce quantitative data, making them easy to compare and analyze statistically. They follow a nomothetic approach as they aim to measure job satisfaction using standardized scoring across large groups. This increases reliability and allows organizations to track trends over time. Next is validity. You have to then write in your answer about validity. Both measures have high face validity because they clearly measure job satisfaction. The JDI in particular has high population validity as it is regularly compared to standardized norms from large samples. However, both rely on self-report data, meaning responses may be influenced by social desirability bias or fear of job consequences. Furthermore, because both are purely quantitative, they may lack depth and fail to capture complex feelings about work. Reliability. Reliability is generally high for both measures because they use standardized formats and fixed scoring systems. This ensures consistency and allows replication across organizations. This is the named issue. This is not the named issue, sorry. This is the issues and debates, one of the issues and debates that you can use for this answer, which is reductionism versus holism. The JDI can be seen as reductionist because it simplifies job satisfaction into 5 dimensions. And in contrast, Walton's QWL takes a more holistic approach by considering broader life factors such as work-life balance and social relevance. A key difference is scoring format. QWL uses a Likert scale, which may increase acquiescence bias, where participants tend to agree with statements. The JDI uses a yes, no, or cannot decide format, which may reduce this bias but also limits depth of response. Both measures are highly useful in real world settings as organizations can use results to improve working conditions and increase productivity. However, reducing job satisfaction to numerical scores may oversimplify complex human experiences. It's very important that you know these points so as to get a level 4 in this question, in question A and B. Here, mention psychometrics explicitly because it is given in the question, and Cambridge loves named issues. Compare JDI and QWL directly. Don't evaluate them separately in isolation. Use terminology like nomothetic, reductionist, validity, reliability. Apply your points specifically to job satisfaction. Avoid generic evaluation. Don't just define validity in this answer, you have to apply it. Always compare the two measures. Use the word however because it shows balance. Mention self report bias for easy marks. And psychometrics uh, is a combination of quantitative plus reliability plus standardization. Thank you so much. And if you found this useful, please subscribe. And I'm going to do the next video soon.